Drones have quickly evolved from a cutting-edge pastime to the future of many different industries. From agriculture to real estate and construction to engineering, businesses are using drones to improve the way they work, and they need pilots to fly those drones. Bellevue University has partnered with globally recognized Unmanned Safety Institute to bring you a new drone pilot bootcamp. These interactive courses will prepare you to become an FAA-certified drone pilot. Participate in one of 2 course levels for beginners just starting out or commercial pilots seeking certification. Unmanned Safety Institute is an accepted training provider by the FAA and supports some of the most innovative organizations in the industry with their drone education and training standards. So you can rest assured your training is best in class and you'll be prepared to soar through your FAA pilot exam. Take your drone interest to new heights. Learn more today at info.bellevue.edu/drone.